Hi, today I'll be showing you most of my Webkinz Signature Plush. I have some others packed away that I'm not sure if I'm keeping, so I may show those in another video, but for now I'll just be showing these ones. So first I'll show my signature golden retriever. So I actually got her off eBay quite a few years ago from someone in the Kinstagram community. I'm not sure if they're still posting on there though because it was so long ago. I love how cute her face is, like it's so cute. And also like she has a pretty golden color. So this is her tag. I remember like wanting this one like so badly when I saw it, but like it was like a bit much for like what I would want to pay. But like this one was like a good deal, so. So next is the Portuguese water dog. I haven't gotten around to taking the tag off, but this one is super cute with like the curly coat. And it actually reminds me of my favorite dog breed called the Barbet. They look pretty similar to the Portuguese water dog, but they're actually from France. So this is the tag. Portuguese water dog. His eyes are kind of like hidden. They're like a nice brown. Next is the Timber Wolf. So this is actually my very first signature. I named her Cinder, and this is her face. It's so cute, and she's actually like so soft, like all signatures, I suppose. So this is her tag. So now I'll start on with the cats and wildcats. So this is the marble cat. I really love like the face mine has, and like her coloring is so pretty. It's kind of like, it reminds me of like a tortoise shell with white coloring. It's not quite like a calico though, just because like it looks more like modeled like a tortoise shell. I could be wrong. This is her tag. So that's the marble cat. Next is the ragdoll. So she has like really pretty pale blue eyes. And her body shape and fur type is actually like similar to the marble cat, but obviously with the ragdoll coloring. And she has like airbrushing. And her fur is like super soft. So that's her tag. So next is my Siamese. The face on mine is like so cute, and her eyes are like a pretty shade of blue, like nice and vibrant. And her legs are a bit thinner in style than like the last two I showed. So this is her tag. Next is the tabby cat. So you can tell that this one is very loved, and that's because he's very special to me since he looks like a cat I had that has passed away when I was very young. So yeah, he's received lots of cuddles. And that's his tag. And I named him Tigger after the cat that I had. And I also have one that's in new condition. So yeah, I can just have both. Have one that's well loved and have one that looks new, I guess. Next is the snow leopard. So this one's super pretty. I love like the powerful looking wildcat face. I guess that's how you would describe the look. And he's like super soft as well. Yeah, so I didn't get around to taking the tag off. I'm not like as interested in like adopting Webkinz anymore. I don't really like play the game. And I also don't usually like buy signatures anymore as well. Like these are just the ones that I have. So that's his tag. And he also has like a nice long tail, like a real snow leopard. Next is my cheetah. I remember naming this one Camille. So she has like a more like slender body type and longer legs like a real cheetah. And she has like pretty golden eyes as well. And as you can see, like her fur is like super silky looking and soft. So that's her tag. Last but not least is not a cat, but the woodland raccoon. So I've considered not keeping this one because it's not a cat or a dog, but it's just so cute that I had to keep him. I love his little feet and like his little face, like a raccoon. And the fur on this one is pretty interesting because it's kind of like two-toned, like flecked with like gray and a dark brown. So that's the raccoon tag. Yeah, it's super cute. Thank you so much for watching. So you can subscribe if you'd like to see more of my plush videos. I plan on making more collection videos and also plush review videos. Bye!